Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use mortar on bricks. First, let's prepare. Gathering your tools, such as a trowel, hawk, and mixing bucket, is crucial. Remember to clean your bricks thoroughly and dampen them slightly. This helps the mortar adhere better. Mixing the mortar correctly, following the manufacturer's guidelines, ensures the right consistency for a strong, lasting bond. Proper preparation is key to a successful bricklaying project. Now, let's apply the mortar. Scoop a generous amount onto your hawk, then use your trowel to spread a consistent bed of mortar onto the surface where your brick will sit. Aim for a thickness of about 3/8 of an inch. Create a small furrow down the center of this bed. Don't forget to butter the ends of each brick with a thin layer of mortar before you place them. This ensures a full, strong joint. With the mortar applied, it's time to lay your bricks. Carefully set each brick onto the mortar bed, pressing it down firmly to ensure good contact. Use a level and a string line to keep your courses perfectly straight and even. If a brick needs adjusting, gently tap it into position using the handle of your trowel. This precision ensures a professional and structurally sound wall. Take your time for the best results. Finally, let's finish and cure your brickwork. Once the mortar has stiffened slightly, use a jointing tool to create a neat, consistent finish on all the mortar joints. This not only looks good, but also helps with weather resistance. Promptly remove any excess mortar with a brush or trowel before it fully hardens. To ensure maximum strength, keep your newly laid brickwork damp for at least 3 to 5 days. This allows the mortar to cure properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.